Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, aka Princess Audu. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. If you're new here, I make fashion videos showing you how to look good on a budget and of course look stylish and fashionable while still modest, while still fully covered. And in today's video, I'm actually back again with another fashion video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style crop tops modestly, how to wear your crop tops without showing your skin. Now, whether you may want to maybe try to style crop tops more modestly, or perhaps you just don't want to show your skin, this is the video for you, because I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to make your crop tops work for you without showing your skins. Now, if you're new here and you're yet to catch up, I started a series, a modesty series, where I will be showing you guys how to make your pieces more modest, how to look fashionable and stylish while modest, and the first video already went up. You can definitely check it out here. I'm going to leave a link in the cards. In this video, I talked about how to be fashionable and modest as well. Definitely do check that out if you missed it. But meanwhile, let's just hop right into this video. Oh, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, more fashion videos, as well as lifestyle and straight talk, other things I do on my channel. Now, let's just hop right in, okay? So now, I love wearing crop tops. I love how stylish they are. I feel like they give you this cool vibe, this more fashionable vibe. However, crop tops you tend to show your skin. Now, there is a way to actually wear crop tops without showing your skin, and I actually wear a lot of crop tops. If you follow me on my Instagram page, I wear crop tops a lot. Most people might not realize this because I found ways to wear crop tops without showing my skin, and that's why we're here. So the first tip to wear crop tops without showing your skin is to wear high-waisted pieces. Now, whether it's high-waisted pants, high-waisted skirts, high-waisted trousers, whatever it is, just make sure that you wear something that's high-waisted. Ideally, when we talk about high waist, I mean something that's like what I'm wearing right now, that sits right on your belly button or a little bit above your belly button. Reason being, most crop tops are short. Most crop tops stop at that midpoint of your body. So when you wear a crop top with a pair of high-waisted bottoms, it just balances it on top and it doesn't show your skin. Now, I actually find this to be very, very fashionable, styling crop tops over your trousers and skirts. I know you can always tuck in your tops, but there's just something about that extra, cloth just lightly hanging or like sitting over or right on top of your trousers. So definitely do try that out. Try wearing your crop tops with high-waisted pieces. And not only is this one way to make your crop tops more modest, this is another way to actually dress and flatter your body. Ideally, if you want to, make your body, if you want to dress for your body type, most body types, it is more flattering when you highlight your waist, and that's what high-waisted pieces do. High-waisted pieces help to cinch in your waist, help to keep the focus on your waist without drawing attention to your, maybe if you have a bit of a stomach like I do. I did a video on how to hide food babies little belly fat, so definitely check that out for reference in this as well. So it helps when you have a good balance with maybe a baggy crop top and some fitted bottoms, or baggy bottoms and a fitted crop top that just sits right over. It is so stylish. You definitely have to try it. I definitely recommend that you do that. I mean, if you're like me and you have, let's say, almost like you're in the middle of like an hourglass and slightly straight, you don't have a defined figure, wearing high-waisted bottoms is actually more flattering. Honestly, it's actually more flattering. So definitely do try that out, wearing your crop tops on high-waisted pieces. Now, the next tip is to wear things like bandeau top camis underneath your crop top. The reason being is when you wear your crop top, it sits just right, but perhaps if you were to sit down or raise your arm, your skin will be showing, and we don't want that, because the point of this entire video is to tell you how to wear your crop tops without showing your skin. So wear something underneath. Now, ideally, I recommend bandeau tops and camis in white or black. We can always get something in a nude color, so it's almost like your skin but not exactly your skin. You can wear like a white one underneath this top like I did here, or wear a black one. A black one works as well. Just anything. The goal is that when you lift up your hands, you are still covered while still rocking the crop top trend. Now, an alternative for this is to wear bodysuits. Bodysuits help you to have this smooth finish. It tucks in your body if you get the right kind of fit with the material. It also makes your body have a smoother look, and the best part is when you tuck it into your skirts, there won't be that annoying line that you sometimes get when you wear camis. One thing I do to avoid that line is to tuck in my camis on my tights. If I wear tights or short shorts or boxer shorts underneath my clothes, I actually tuck my cami or my tank top into the tights, and that helps with the lines. Definitely do wear something under, so you're adding an extra layer to allow you to wear your crop tops more comfortably. comfortably. If you can't do a cami, if you don't like those annoying lines, just go for a bodysuit. Bodysuits are really affordable and they are so versatile and so flattering. Now the next tip to style crop tops modestly is to layer. I said it in my last video, layering not only makes you look more fashionable, but it's one way to wear certain pieces that perhaps reveal a little too much of your body and still be stylish and covered. When you layer a white button-up shirt underneath a crop top or a turtleneck underneath a crop top, it is so stylish, especially when you play with layers and different textures. But one thing you can try that is so stylish that was actually really popular in the 90s is to wear a very short crop top and wear a long sleeve white shirt that kind of, you just allow the white shirt to fall. This is something I mentioned in my last video, actually, wearing a crop top in one of my videos where I talked about how to make revealing pieces modest. Definitely check that out for more details crowding across different types of pieces. You can wear like a long shirt and throw on a crop top. It is so fashionable. It doesn't even look like you were trying to cover up your skin. It just looks like you were trying to layer and pull off another trend. So definitely do try layering shirts. Get creative. You can wear a dress, you can wear a long sleeve shirt, you can wear something printed, mixed prints, you can wear something with a different texture. It's all of those little things that make you more stylish and fashionable while still being modest. And that's something that I mentioned in the video I talked about how to be stylish but of course modest. Check the description for links to all these videos as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this as well. Now the final tip I will give to make crop tops more modest is to wear belts. Now one thing that happens is when you have a crop top, it normally meets at the length of your trousers or skirt, especially if it's high-waisted. Now when you bring in a belt, it helps take away from the fact that maybe when you lift your hands, your skin is going to show. It keeps everything in place. Not only are belts that extra piece that add to your outfits and take your outfit to the next level, it's one way to help you to rock crop tops without perhaps wearing something underneath or layering a shirt, wearing a cami or a bodysuit underneath. So those are just some ways to make your crop tops more modest. Do you have other tips, other things that you use to make your crop tops more modest? Leave that in the comment section. Also, I'll be doing more videos on this, showing you how to work some of your pieces, make them more modest. If you have any recommendations, leave that in the comment section as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.